Did you know boxing workouts include high-intensity training sessions that develop speed, strength, and agility? That's right. Today in Follow the Fives, let's learn how to train like a champion and get into fighting shape with a simple boxing workout routine for beginners that you can do at home. Number 1, jab cross, jab bob, and weave. How to do it? Stand with left foot forward, arms in guard position, which is elbows bent, hands in fists on either side of chin. Throw a left jab, quickly punch left arm forward, rotating fist down without locking out elbow. A right cross, punch right arm forward, rotating right hip into the punch and lifting the right heel off the floor, and then repeat a left jab. Bring your arms back to guard and quickly bob and weave from left to right by lowering into a squat while circling the body from the back to the front, as if tracing a letter U with your upper body. Now return to start. That's 1 rep. Do 10 reps in a row, repeat on the other side and go again. Number 2, boxer push-ups. How to do it? Start in a plank position with hands directly below your shoulders and core engaged. Lower your body until the chest is just a few inches above the floor. Press halfway up, then lower your back to hover up from the floor. Press all the way back up to full plank. Make sure to maintain proper form, being careful not to let hips sag or back arch during the movement. Drop to knees if it's too challenging. Do 10 reps. Three, bicycle crunches. How to do it? Lie face up with knees bent and feet on the floor, hands behind head and elbows wide. Lift head, shoulders and upper back off the ground and then do a bicycle crunch by twisting left shoulder towards the right knee, left leg extending out straight and parallel to the ground. Repeat to the other side. That's 1 rep. Continue alternating, keeping the belly button pulled in tight to spine and chin toward the chest to avoid neck strain. Keep hands behind the head throughout. Do 20 reps in a row. Number 4, jab cross, upper slip front. How to do it? Stand with left foot forward, arms on guard. Throw a left jab and right cross punch, and then a left uppercut. Next, quickly slip front by twisting the upper body and elbows towards the left knee. Return to start. Now that's 1 rep. Do 10 reps in a row. Number 5, double jab, cross, slip, slip. How to do it? Stand with left foot forward, arms on the guard. Throw a double jab with left arm by quickly doing 2 jabs in a row. Next, throw a right cross punch and then repeat a single jab on the left. Quickly slip. Imagine trying to dodge an opponent's punch by twisting your upper body, hips stay still and bringing left elbow towards your belly button. Immediately reverse to the right. The pace of this move is very quick. Try counting 1, 2, 3 as while doing it to keep the tempo up. Return to starting position and now that is 1 rep. Repeat on the other side as well. So what are your thoughts on boxing? And hey, do you know the names of any famous boxers? Don't forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what's right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.